Oh boy, this onion is angry. My eyes. Hello and welcome to One Step at a Time Farmstead. Join our family on our journey as we build a like-minded community while living life on our terms in accordance with our beliefs, our convictions, our desires, and above all, our faith in God and our God-given calling.
We promote a self-sufficient, self-sustaining lifestyle, especially with regard to fresh produce and fresh meat and the preservation thereof.
It is our objective to prove that this self-sufficient, sustainable, healthy, happy, and fulfilling lifestyle is possible, even in an urban setting, while adhering to various laws, rules, and regulations of our government.
Our ultimate vision and goal are to obtain and establish functional and profitable farm enterprises where we produce wholesome foods grown and raised according to our conviction in the way that God intended. In other words, organic, natural, chemical-free.
Furthermore, it is our aim to teach and train in the various principles of self-sufficiency, self-reliance, and food security. We foresee hosting, supporting, and sponsoring masterclass training workshops in accordance to our call to the ministry of God.
With your support, we know we can achieve these goals.
Welcome back to One Step at a Time Farmstead. Welcome to my kitchen. We are continuing on our series of videos on prepping, the meal plan and prepping our dinner meals for a whole month. Today's topic is cooking in batches. The title for this video today is Tuesday Classic Spaghetti Bolognese, which is obviously our Tuesday dinner meal, and I'll share our recipe with you. Forgive the angle of the camera for this video, please. Okay, I'm doing this on the same day that Daniel took Michaela clothing shopping for her birthday, and Lucian has gone with, so I'm alone at home and don't have anybody to help me man the camera, so I hope you can see me. I just quickly want to run through the ingredients with you. Obviously, our mincemeat or ground beef for the bulk cook, that is 2 kilograms of ground beef. Then we've got our very own homemade pasta sauce. There is a video in the playlist where we make this that you can watch, but I'll also have the recipe in the description. And then just for a bit of extra flavor, I'm going to add 2 of these red Creole onions. For a bit of sweetness, I'll saute it and fry the ground beef in it, just for a bit of added flavor. But there is onion already in the pasta sauce, onion, leek, celery, my herbs and peppers and all that good stuff. We are going to do the quick way. This is already prepped, and show you how easy it is to do batch cooking and prepping for a month. I have to say, this pasta sauce is one of our best sellers when we take it to market, and people adore it. We always get excellent feedback. So for the local guys, you can always come and buy locally here from us, or when we are at market. Otherwise, make your own using the recipe that we will share with you in the description. Why am I struggling today? Come now. Almost as stubborn as I am. Just as a tip, when you want to finely dice your onion, split it in half from top to bottom. Use the top part to easily peel the dry leaves off. Keep the root end intact, and then when you start cutting, slice it in front of the root ball. Make a couple of slices through it without breaking your root end, and then from there start slicing your onion, and only the root end is left over, and that can go to the compost. And here you've got nice finely chopped onion. Oh boy, this onion is angry, my eyes. Next one. I hope the camera can pick it up. It seems like my favorite knife is in the dishwasher. Like I said, just in front of the root ball, go all the way through, and then thinly slice from that end until you've only got the roots left, which goes to the compost. Beautifully fine chopped onion. Okay, the next thing we need is our trusty cast iron pot, or Dutch oven as it's known. Yeah, and just get it to heat up. And about 2 tablespoons of lard, your favorite wooden spoon. Oh, and excuse the bit of a mess here on the stovetop. We made those burgers last night. And there we go, the fat is warming up, so in with the onions. Saute the onion. Normally at this point, if I cook from scratch, this is where I would add a little bit of garlic just before I add the beef. But there's already quite a bit of garlic in the pasta sauce. I'm not going to add additional garlic. So in with the ground beef. I'll just break down the chunks. Yeah, basically we just want to brown all these minced beef. And at this moment, like I said, we want to brown all the beef, so we don't cover it and we stir it quite frequently, because we basically want to fry the nuts or the ground beef. If you find any chunks clumping together, we just break it out with a wooden spoon. point we've got all our beef browned. There's no big clumps. So everything is nice and loose and grainy. And there's no excess moisture in the pot, which means now I can add my pasta sauce, our homemade pasta sauce. And you can add the pasta sauce as much as you want, depending on how saucy you like your bolognese. Looking at this, I think this is perfect for us. Maybe I'll add a bit more, but we like our spaghetti bolognese sauce quite thick, not too soupy. Now we can cover it and bring it to the boil. It's basically starting to simmer. So I'll turn the heat down just to simmer and leave it for about 10 minutes to simmer. Okay, beautiful. So we are ready. Switch off here. And I'm just going to let it cool down a little bit and then portion it so we can store away and freeze it for our ready bread meals. Going to loosely put the lids over it, not seal it, so the steam can escape, but I don't want any flies or anything to get in here. So I'm just going to let them cool down before I put them in the freezer. So this is basically our meal prep for Tuesday evenings, the classic spaghetti bolognese. And like I said, we don't cook the pasta, beforehand, and you could do it. A lot of people do it. We don't like it. It's like the pasta gets too soggy. So we like to cook the pasta fresh and then warm this up over the stovetop. And as easy as that. Pasta takes about 5 minutes to cook, same time that this will take, to heat again. As easy as that. We've got a nice, healthy, hearty, comforting meal in about 10 minutes on a busy weekday night. I hope you found value in this video, and any hints from your side, please make sure you mention it in the comment section. Please try out the recipe that is linked in the description for your very own pasta sauce, or you can always, if you are local, order from us. Op die Dorp Farmstyle or Parsley is our own industries venture to try and fund our homestead. And like I said, we sell this at the markets as well, and this is one of our best sellers. The people really love it and we get a lot of compliments on it. So try it for yourself. If you are local, you can order from us. I'll leave my details below. Also, you can order and collect from us, or come and visit us at the next market and buy some of yours for yourself and check out the rest of our Opidor product range. So thank you very much for spending time with me today. I really want you to understand how much we appreciate you and your support. All I can do is say I love you and bless you. See you in the next one. The next one should be Daniel's chicken a la king / chicken alfredo. Just waiting for it to get out. Yeah. God bless. Bye.